We've talked about how we use money to buy the things that we want and the things that we need. Now let's look at each coin and talk about how much it's worth. First, I want to point out to you that when you're counting coins, you're counting cents. Look at where the green arrow is. The symbol that looks like a C with a line through it, that is the symbol for cents. Whenever you see that symbol, you know you're looking at cents. The first coin we're looking at is a penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. Remember, when you want to say cents, you draw that C with a line through it. Now we're looking at a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. Now let's look at a dime. A dime's worth 10 cents. And last is a quarter. A quarter's worth 25 cents. Next, we're going to look at some coins grouped together and determine how much money there is. So right here we have a dime that's worth 10 cents, and we have a penny that's worth 1 cent. 10 plus 1 equals 11, so we have 11 cents.